Every single one of my task trackers is meant to be 100% customizable to fit your exact position. And that's because whatever works for me may or may not work exactly the same way for you. And that's what makes my spreadsheet a lot better than some of these other platforms that are pre-built, because you can edit it to however you want. You just need to do a little bit of tweaking to the spreadsheet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your spreadsheet. And the same concept kind of applies to everything. The first thing we're going to do is update a dropdown. So let's say you want to update done to completed. I'm going to click on edit and then put completed. Then I'll hit done. Now if I change it to completed, nothing happens, and that's because done is a trigger word that triggers the automation. Since we changed it, we need to update the code. But before we do that, we need to update the conditional formatting. So I'm going to click on column B, go to Format, Conditional Formatting. I'll click on the one that says done and change that to completed. Now you can see that the formatting is crossed out in gray, and that's because it's completed. Now over here on the dashboard as well, we have the same kind of thing. So I'll go to Format, Conditional Formatting, find the one that says done, and change that to completed. And now any tasks that are completed will be automatically grayed out just like that. Now you can see right here it says completed. Don't worry about that. Once it clears from the list, you won't have to worry about formatting that. We're also going to go to our recurring task and update that here. So under progress/status, we'll click on edit, and we'll update done to completed. Hit done and hit OK. All right, so now let's go to the automation code. So we'll go to extensions, app script, and you can see right here on our task list in column 3, if it's listed as done, then we want to add a timestamp in row 12. And in row 12, that's over here in task completed. So I'm going to simply change this to completed. And then if I scroll down a little bit, you can see right here, we have two things that say done. Now the first one in column 3, it's going to look up for the value done, and that's the value that we just changed to completed. So I'm going to change that to completed. The second one, this is actually the sheet name. So if I look at target sheet, we want that to remain done, and that's because over here on our tracker, the name of the sheet is still done. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'll change it back to pending. And now if I mark it as complete, it should clear from this list and move to the bottom of your done tab. Now if you've been using the tracker and you want to update everything you've done before this to completed, you're more than welcome to. It's really up to you. Now, if you want to update one of these, you're more than welcome to. Let's say you want to add a new one. You can add that to whatever you want to do. And once you select that, let's go ahead and mark that as completed. It will move from this list to the bottom of the done tab. Now it should show up on this list, but if you go to your visualizations tab, it may or may not show up on your visualizations. If it doesn't, you can go to edit chart, and you'll just need to make sure that this is extended all the way past the row it needs to be. So for example, A66. So since it goes all the way down to A66, anything that's within this range is going to be included. So it should be good to go there.